Yeah, we'll start it, yeah.
Come on, you just turn it on, mate.
Wait, no, we've got 3 switches. We've all got one each. Oh. Hey. Right, well, Liam at this one.
You're not doing them at the same time?
Right, yeah.
Lauren?
Lauren, no, get it off! Oh, you don't listen, do you? We're doing a film as well. It's on this film as you being told off. You remember this? Lauren there, the one next to the thingy, yeah?
One next to the snakes.
There's only one to be switched on next to the snakes. One switch. One switch next to the snakes. Don't do it yet. It's a switch, not a plug. Don't do it yet. It's hard, isn't it?
Oh, because I thought like
No, because I was telling you. One thing for yourself, just do as you're told. Right, I'm going to count down from 3. Yes? Turn the lamp off, please, James. Just for now. Right, I'm going to count down from 3. Where's my stand here? Near. Where's the stand? Over here. Here.
Yeah.
No, no, no. I'm going to count down from 3. Is that easy now? Easy enough?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yay.
Yay!
Mine's there. Shut up.
Right, everyone stand.
Now turn off, we're going back.
No.